Yo, what's good, everyone? The Lavish Trader here, and today I'm here to talk about MetaTrader4 and recommended Forex brokers. So basically the trading platform and one of the most popular trading platforms that's out right now is MetaTrader4. MetaTrader4 is what I use, and MetaTrader4 is what all of my friends use. Like all of my friends and associates that trade Forex, I don't know of them to trade using any other platform but MetaTrader 4. And everyone always asks me, why do I prefer MetaTrader 4 over MetaTrader 5? And that's because MetaTrader 5 is more of an advanced version of MetaTrader 4, well, over MetaTrader 4. And MetaTrader 4 is a lot more simpler than MetaTrader 5. And MetaTrader 4 is more popular of the platforms. All right. So yeah, so like MetaTrader 4 is just the platform that I use. It's what everyone uses. It's the recommended platform for majority of Forex traders. All right. So if you want to download MetaTrader 4, you simply go to MetaTrader4.com. Go down here where you see MetaTrader 4 is. Click on this tab. Make sure it's blue, highlighted MetaTrader 4. It's free to download. You can download it for Windows, Mac, um, yeah, and also for Android and Google. So not only can you use it on your computer, but you can also use it on your mobile device. All right, so I already have MetaTrader 4 downloaded, so I'm going to just go to it and give you guys a brief walkthrough. All right, so on the left hand side, these are the pairs. The pairs are right here on the left hand side: Euro, USD, GBP, USD. They're all here. So sometimes you may not see the pairs. So what you do is that you click somewhere and you right click in the box. It doesn't matter where. And then you go to show all, which is right here. And they all should come up right here on your screen. All right. Um, So on this side, since Euro USD is one of the screens that come up, mind you, today is Saturday, the 3rd of 2018. So right now, as you may notice, like nothing is moving right now because the market's closed, so nothing's moving. So of course, when the market is open, everything's moving, price is changing. So over here is price. Down here is the dates, etc. I have some indicators on the screen, but I really don't use the indicators on the platform since I use TradingView, which is also in another video. So if you would like to change what type of chart that you're using, just in case you want to analyze on MetaTrader 4, you would go to up here. So right now I have it on line chart. You could put it on a candlestick chart, or you can put it on a bar chart. And also there's one for wrinkles, but I don't use wrinkles. I just stick to regular candlestick charts and line charts. All right. This option right here is the auto scroll option. So since the market is closed today, you won't get to see it in action. But normally when price continuously changes, let's say that you are trying to analyze from somewhere over here, or you scroll, it's going to automatically auto scroll you to the front. So you could just check that off. I believe when I first downloaded the application, it was checked, so you can just check that off. Right here is your indicator list where the different indicators are. So you can just go to them, add them, Ichimoku, Kinku, Hayo, moving averages. Yeah, so they're all here. Also, they are custom indicators that are preloaded. Also, you can download your own custom indicators as well. Right right here are the templates, so you can load your own template. You can create one and save it. Right here is the zoom in and zoom out. Let me go to the candlestick chart real quick. So if you wanted to zoom in, you just zoom out. And down here are your time frames. So you got the minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly time frames. Right here is the auto trade button. Honestly, I don't know too much of that. Also, if you would like to split screens, you basically would go here and you would split the screen. Let me go to USD. Whoops. Let me go to USD CAD right here and go to chart window. So you could just split the screen. Boom. So it can split up to 4 screens, so you can analyze up to 4 screens at one time. All right. So also I will also be giving you guys recommended brokers at the end. So if you would like to log into your broker account, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And as I say, at the end, I'm going to give you guys a list of brokers that I recommend. You can take this into consideration or you can't. It really doesn't matter. It's just my recommendation. Okay. And I'm not a genius or a financial, a financial strategic or whatever names that they give it. So these are just like recommendations from what me and my team uses. So anyways, basically what you do, you go to file, you go to open an account, and I have a couple of them that's here, but basically when you first have one, there will be nothing here. Mine is Trader's Way. That's the account that I'm using as of right now. So basically when you want to add your broker, you go here, and let's say that you wanted let's say that you have a broker with well, honestly, it doesn't matter. So Trader's Way, which is Trader's Way is already there. So what it's going to do is going to come up as a search, and then boom, Trader's Way is going to be here. So Trader's Way is either going to be a demo account or it's going to be a live account. So what you do is that you go to the website and you open an account, and then it's going to give you the address to search for. So you just use that address, use this, and just search for it. Come up, then you enter in your login, your password, and your login info, etc. And then you go to next, and then everything is going to basically be there. Existing account, new demo account, you create your account from here, or the website, new real account, create the account, the live account. All right. Also, if you would like to change like the colors of the grid bars, you can do that from here. So basically what I did, I right click, I went to properties, and everything was there. What else? Oh yeah, so of course, how can I forget? So whichever pair that you're analyzing and you want to trade off of, in order to start order, you go to new order. You can really go to new order anywhere. So they'll have a shortcut where you just sell or buy. You just go to new order. Euro USD, you put in the amount of lots that you want, standard lot, you set your stop loss, you set your take profit, and you do it by market execution, which is one option, or you could do it by a pending order, which is a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Your lot size is there, and then you just put out the price where you want to set it, and you wait till it hits that price, and you let it do its thing. And then it also has the option of having an expiry. Honestly, I don't use the expiry at all because I'm trading and analyzing for mainly that day off of price action. So I can close that out. All right, so now I'm going to get into the recommended brokers. Okay. And as I said before, these are just brokers that I recommend. So one of my recommendations is Lqd Fx. I'm not sure how regulated LMFX is, but a lot of the people that I know use it. A lot of my friends use it. They've never had a problem with LMFX. So you can basically transfer funds to Wire, Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, NetTeller, etc. If you want to go to their legal documentation, is down here. So go to the bottom about and this it's all here. Okay, it's all here. So that's what a lot of my friends use and a lot of traders use, and it's really popular. Another one is Lqd Fx, which is right here. So Lqd Fx is a full STP execution platform for trading. Broker. So it executes using STP. They have all major currency pairs, commodities, and indices that you can trade. And their regulation, I heard that they're regulated, and also it's here as well if you would like to check it. Honestly, I haven't checked it, but a lot of my friends and a lot of people I know says that it's legit. So if they say it's legit, I think it's pretty legit. You can go and check it out for yourself. It's all here. They are an official member of the Financial Commission. The certificate issued as evidence of membership in the Financial Commission. So a lot of my friends suggest this, and a lot of people in the forex industry, especially in the U.S., because I live in the U.S. and everything that I do is based in the U.S. Okay, and also I also recommend Trader's Way. I know a lot of people that's watching this, they're going to strongly disagree with me about recommending Trader's Way. Well, some are, not all, but that's only because some people have had problems with Trader's Way in the past. Honestly, for me, I've never had a problem with Trader's Way. I've never had a problem withdrawing. I never had a problem making deposits. I've never had a problem out of them whatsoever. So I would recommend them. They're an ECN broker. The initial deposit is like $10. So, and I know people that's flipping like $50 to $100 account, making like, a couple thousands in like a week or so. So like it's real easy to leverage your accounts. Leverage is 1 to 1,000, which is really good. And last but not least, I recommend Nadex. Nadex is a U.S. regulated platform. They're regulated by the FTC. I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but they're 100% U.S. regulated. But Nadex is a whole different ball game. So this is binary options. So this is a whole different ball game. But it's still forex trading, but just with binary options, which is different. And they're based here in the U.S. in Chicago, and they have their own exchange and everything. So Nadex, I 100% would recommend Nadex, but it's mainly for binary options, but you can still trade forex. All right, so that's my video of how to use MetaTrader4 and recommended Forex Brokers. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I will be continuing to drop more and more videos with more value. Trust me, I will be doing some more trading videos. With me actually trading, I've been like giving like really a beginners from like the bare minimum, from the bottom, to helping people get started. So okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be dropping new content every day. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I drop new content every day. I learn new things every day. I study every day. All right, thank you, and I'll see you guys on my next video, which probably be like next week.